Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Legal Voice India. Today we are back with yet another topic and we'll try to dwell into that crucial topic that affects countless lives in the society. That is the Domestic Violence Act in India. I am Advocate Faiz Khan Pathan, your host. And before we begin, make sure to subscribe for more insightful content and videos. Now, today's topic for the discussion is the Domestic Violence Act 2005. The act was enacted in the year 2005, which was with the intent and which aims to protect individuals, primarily women, from physical, emotional, verbal, economic, and sexual abuse within the confines of a domestic relationship. It's crucial to understand its scope, covering not just married couples but also live in partners and family members. Now, let's break down the key provisions of the Act. The Act provides for protection orders, residence orders, and monetary release to the victims as described earlier. That is, women or live in partners or family members in a domestic relationship, in a domestic household. Further, the Act provides for establishment of special courts for speedy trials and empowers the police to take immediate action. Most importantly, it addresses psychological abuse also, recognizing the various forms of violence there can be. Further, victims often face challenges in seeking legal recourse. We'll explore the process of filing a complaint, obtaining protection orders, and the role of protection officers in facilitating the legal process as provided under the Act. Now, understanding these steps is very crucial for those seeking help under the Act. Now, let us see one of the important provision that is provided under Domestic Violence Act 2005, which comes as a rescue to the victims. That is Section 12 of the Act. Now, what is Section 12 and what does it provide for? Section 12 of Domestic Violence Act 2005 pertains to making an application before JMFC, that is Judicial Magistrate First Class, or seeking a protection order. In simple terms, this section outlines the process through which an aggrieved person or a victim may seek an order from the court that provides protection from such domestic violence. Now let us see who can apply under Section 12. An aggrieved person or a protection officer can file an application for a protection order. Now, who is aggrieved person? The victim who has suffered said domestic violence. Most prominently, the women. Secondly, what should be the contents of the application? The application should contain details regarding the domestic violence faced, the relief sought, and any relevant information should be mentioned in the application. Now, once the victim approaches the court for such order by making an application under Section 12, he may be granted immediate relief, that is interim protection. What comes under the interim protection? The court has the authority to pass an interim protection order even before the final order is passed. Section 12 is an important provision in Domestic Violence Act, and it plays a pivotal role uh, to the victims, under which when the victim or the sufferer can make an application for seeking such protection orders from the court. Similarly, there is another important provision that is provided under Section 19 of the Act and Section 20 of the Act. The victim or the aggrieved person can apply for residential orders under Section 19 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005 and may seek an order of restraining the uh, respondents, that may be husband of the victim or any other family member, that they shall not dispossess the victim from the domestic household. Further, under Section 20 of the Act, the victim can also seek an order of maintenance from the court for herself and for the child, and such maintenance will be paid by the husband or the family member causing domestic violence. Now, such maintenance will be in addition to any other maintenance granted by the court, may be under Section 125 of CRPC or any other law. Secondly, at the same time, the aggrieved person or the victim can also seek an order from the court asking for the monetary relief compensation for any economic abuse which she may have faced, or loss due to such violence, economic loss due to such violence can be recovered from the order of the court. Further, as said earlier, the Domestic Violence Act does not only addresses physical and emotional abuse, but also recognizes the financial impact of such domestic violence. Monetary relief is one of the such significant provision aimed at providing financial support to the victims. The Act also provides for establishing special protection officers under the Act, and it directs the government, state government, to appoint such protection officers at every district and city level, along with the police machinery, for at the disposal of the victims. Beyond legal provisions, support system plays a pivotal role, no doubt, such as NGOs, helplines, and counseling services provide assistance in such incidents. Uh, Now we can say that the Domestic Violence Act 2005 stands as a crucial step towards creating a safer environment and promoting well-being of individuals within domestic relationships in India. Thank you for joining us on Legal Voice India. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more content on important social issues. Together, let's make a positive impact. Thank you.